Visit cmsprime.com. Click Live Account and complete the registration form. Verify your email to activate your account. Select Apply for MasterCard. Then on the MasterCard landing page, click Apply Now. Wait for your approval notification via SMS or email. Once approved, download the Cpay app. In the app, type CMS and enter your registered phone number in the reference login field. Complete the KYC verification steps. Congratulations! Once ready, add funds to activate and start using your prepaid MasterCard today.